Aspire returns once again to the pod mod market with the Aspire Spryte. The Aspire Spryte comes in at 108mm by 26mm by 26mm and has a 3.5 milliliter capacity, as well as a 2 milliliter TPD compliant version. Each Spryte comes with two coils, a 1.8 ohm BVC coil for regular e-liquids and a 1.2 ohm BVC coil for Nick salts. This little all-in-one device has a sleek form factor that fits really nicely into your hands, making it something you won't mind carrying around versus something you want to jam in your pocket immediately after use. The drip tip also threw me through a loop as well. It isn't the most pleasing to look at, but it's surprisingly comfy and makes for an enjoyable vaping experience. One of the biggest standouts of the Spryte is the fill port. As is standard with most Aspire pod mods, the fill port is located at the bottom next to the adjustable airflow. Having said that, one of the issues pod mods face is the fact that their fill port is relatively small. Not on the Spryte. Sporting a 4.6mm opening, it makes refilling this little guy easy and hassle-free. I've literally never had an easier time filling up my pod than I have with the Spryte. Coming in with 5 stylish colors, if you're looking for something that is simple to use and ready to go in a hurry, the Spryte is for you.
Well, you made it through the video. You get all the cookies. Well, if you enjoyed it, click over here to subscribe. Or, you can go over here and watch some more videos, which would be better if you did both. Because please, just do it. Do it now. Quickly, before the fog rolls in, just click the videos.